Sonible's Pure Bundle is a suite of AI-powered plugins that enable you to focus on the creative decisions. I can very quickly mix my demos, and these plugins also help me create a polished sound on the go, like for example when I'm in the studio with an artist. So let me show you how they work on this trap track.
Rocking like 40 carats and all of my diamonds glisten. I don't really got no friends though. You gotta rock your ends slow. Give me that rock like Winslow. Hopping that benzo, pedicle flat, on fast, ain't been slow. Roll. Give me that dough. I don't wanna talk when I get on that road. I ain't gon' stop when I get on that road. Try to give me good top and I really gon' blow.
First off, I want to compress my 808s for that punchy and full trap sound. I will load Pure Comp and choose the bass profile, and then I just let the plugin learn. These settings sound pretty nice already, but I just want to adjust them so they suit my song. And to get an even more aggressive sound, I'll increase the compression and switch the compression style to dirty. After processing, the 808 sounds punchier and more defined. I've also noticed that the vocal sound is a bit inconsistent, so I'll load Pure Comp to balance out their dynamics.
Listen, I'm walking, put in submission, your body gon' come up missing, they chalk it up.
I'll tweak the style. The clean setting delivers a very transparent compression, perfectly suited for vocals or acoustic tracks.
Rocking like 40 carats and all of my diamonds glisten. I don't really got no friends though. You gotta rock your ends slow. Give me that rock like Winslow. Hopping that benzo, pedicle flat, on fast, ain't been slow. Roll. Give me that dough. I don't wanna talk when I get on that road. I ain't gon' stop when I get on that road.
Can you hear this?
I really gon' blow.
With the added compression, the vocal sound is more present in the mix. Now I want to work on the acoustic guitar, which sounds a bit lifeless and dull. I'll load a Pure EQ and set the style to warm. With the intelligent filter applied, the guitar sounds fuller and less phasey. In the instrumental track, Pure EQ will balance everything out. The difference is subtle, but it glues the entire sound together even more. Next I want to work on these vocal chops. So right now they stick out too much. I want to blend them into the mix by adding pure reverb. After learning, I'll further increase the reverb size and play around with the mix parameter. Nice. Now the vocal chops generally give the mix a wider feel and feel much better. Next I'll place Pure Limit on the drum bus. I just want to catch loud peaks before limiting on the master bus and make the drums thicker. I can amplify this effect even more by increasing the inflate parameter. Finally, I will use Pure Limit on the master bus to give the track a final touch and the right level. So I'm really happy with what we've done here. So let's see how our song has changed.
My diamonds glisten. I don't really got no friends though. You gotta rock your ends slow. Give me that rock like Winslow. Hopping that benzo, pedicle flat, on fast, ain't been slow. Roll. Give me that dough. I don't wanna talk when I get on that road. I ain't gon' stop when I get on that road. Try to give me good top and I really gon' blow. Yeah.